Okay, Griffin, can you count to 10?
No.
Please?
No.
Ready?
Good.
What's your name?
March.
What?
Monkey George.
Monkey George? Can Monkey George count to 10? Okay, let me hear it. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Oh, what's before 12?
8,
11.
11,
And then 12.
12.
Good job. What's your name?
Give some soap.
Yeah, where do you live? Where do you live?
Question Cove.
That's what street you live on. Where do you live, though? Texas?
Yes.
Yeah.